Hi, welcome to Laura's Fandora. Today I'm going to show you guys how I'm making this My Little Ponytail for my daughter. Okay, so the tools you'll need are some scissors, a fine brush. You could either use I think this is for my husband's beard, a beard brush, or you could use a pet brush or something like that. And then the materials, I used this grid system, this plastic grid system, some floral wire, or you could use silver wire, but I just had floral wire on hand, and some yarn, some of the color of yarn. Since it's Pinkie Pie, of course, it is pink. So what I did is, this sheet was like $1 or something with a coupon, and I just cut it just 3 squares across, and then the length of the long side of the piece, because I want a really long tail. And then I wove the floral wire through the plastic piece, and this will make it so you can easily bend the tail how you want it. Pinkie Pie's kind of is a bouncy kind of tail, bouncy curly tail, so I can bend it after I've attached all of her hair to it. So let me show you the length and stuff. I'm just going to set that aside. I left some extra wire here. Clip the sharp edges and twirl it, and then just stick it in the pants like that. So of course I got yarn, and I made it so I did it about 1 foot long and about 6 to 8 pieces each thing. I tied it in the middle, and I'm going to tie this and weave it into 2 of the squares. Okay, so as you can see, I have used some string and needle, and I've just sewn the knot part to one side of this grid system, and I used about 30 of those knots that I did. Then I have 30 here that I'm going to do alongside this edge. I'm going to hand sew along this edge, and then I'll do a couple in the middle on both sides, and then it'll be to the point where we can brush it and then trim it. And yeah, but you can also see that you can bend with this wire. You can bend it however you want, which is what we want to do. Okay, so you just take the knot area, this knot right here, and place it where you want to start it, and then string. I just went through the knot and then loop it through one of the holes a few times so it's really sturdy. And then go to the next hole and add the next knot. We're going to have to add some, like maybe 10 here, and then flip it over and do 10 on this side, and then we can start brushing. Okay, so see how I brushed it all out? And now I've kind of ironed it on a lower heat, and it kind of makes it like a shinier coat sort of thing. And then I kind of trimmed it. Like I saw where some of the long ones are, and I kind of trimmed those to kind of give a point. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this wire so it's not just so sticking out. And it'll be nice and comfortable for her. So kind of in on one side. So I know I get a lot of glue right here. So I'm just going to fold it so the raw edges glue right there. And then kind of fold it in and fold this in so it'll not show the wire and it won't poke her. So that can just comfortably tuck in to her pants. There we go. Ta-da! Okay, so to get the curl of Pinkie Pie's hair, you're going to have to take a section of hair and kind of just twirl it until it becomes like a curl. And then you're gonna want to glue on top of the same curl. You don't want to glue it over here. You want it on top. So, and I would do like a line of hot glue. A line of hot glue like this. And then place it on there and make sure you hold it. Okay, so it wouldn't be Pinkie Pie's tail unless we add some glitter. So I found these cool gems, and I think I just like the clear white ones. See the clear white ones? Nice and shiny. So I'm gonna just glue, hot glue them down. All right, after the jewels put on, it is all finished. I gave this to my daughter and she absolutely loved it. She wanted to wear it all day long, and I'm like, ooh, well, you can't take it to school. But any parties or any play dates or any Halloween party, she can definitely wear it. So I hope this helps, and if you are looking for making other crafts, check out my other videos. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Okay, turn around and wag the tail a little bit. Yes, perfect.